So today we will learn how to install VS Code in Windows. So first we will go to the browser in our Windows system, which is Chrome. Now we will search for Visual Studio Code. Enter. Then I will click to the first link and I can see the download button here. Click on it. Now we can see various options for the different platforms. Now I will click on the Windows. It will automatically get started to download. Here you can see it will take few seconds. Now double click on it. Now we can see our windows in our Windows. Now accept the agreement and click on next, next, next. Now here create a desktop icon. If you want to create a desktop icon, click on it and next. Now install. Your Visual Studio Code is downloaded. Now click on finish the process. The Visual Studio Code is ready to work. The Visual Studio Code windows appear here. Now we can open a new file and we can start writing our code. Thank you.